قصدي على بعد بكره.
Where?
Ja.
Where? No.
Traffic good here
Yes.
in Luxor?
Yes.
We come from Cairo. Traffic very bad.
Very bad.
Worse.
Cairo's crazy.
Yeah, crazy. Yes.
Yeah. In Cairo, many people and
Oh,
many
my
cars
God.
and many beep, you know,
Yeah,
all time.
yeah.
Beep,
Here is
beep.
calm?
Here is
What?
very quiet.
Serious?
Yes.
Okay.
Luxor, clean
Clean.
and green.
Yeah, clean. Yeah. Also, Cairo is dirty.
Cairo is not
yeah.
clean. Yeah. Here, clean and the green and the quiet.
Yeah.
And everything is good here. My mother from Cairo. But
Your mother?
My mother, yeah. But I have a family in Cairo.
Yeah.
But my mother, she lived here before 45 years.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I go Cairo maximum 2-3 days and then back here.
Yeah.
Maximum 2-3 days, no
The
more.
air is also not good. The air.
Yes.
So to
yeah,
breathe, you
not
know?
the fresh air.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Like you see here, it's fresh air.
Yeah, that's better, huh?
Yeah. Look. Fresh air here.
Fresh air here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cold now.
Yeah, it's cold now. Yeah, that's good. That's good now.
Okay, Luxor here, two-way, East Bank and West Bank.
Yeah.
It's Nile River.
Nile
East,
River, yes.
Yeah, East and West.
Yeah.
In East Bank, you can visit Karnak Temple and Luxor Temple and Luxor Museum. Okay. In the West Bank, other side, many tourist places.
Yeah.
But the best and the famous four places:
Yeah.
Valley of the Kings and Hatshepsut and Close of Memnon and Habu City.
Yeah.
Or Habu Memnon, Habu Temple. You know,
Yeah.
this is the best and the famous in the West Bank. From your hotel to Valley of the Kings, about 30-35 minutes drive.
Yeah.
You know, if you want tomorrow visit West Bank, four places, take about 5-6 hours, maybe more, because if you want to visit 3 or 4 places, you want to time from 5 to 7 hours.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, if you want tomorrow make that only 20 euros
Yeah.
for 5, 6, 7 hours.
How much?
20 euros.
For how many trips?
5-6 hours.
Hmm?
And drive about 35 minutes from your hotel to Valley of the Kings.
Yeah.
And waiting in the Valley of the Kings, and then take you from Valley of the Kings to Hatshepsut, and then take you from Hatshepsut to Habu City or Habu Temple, and then close of Memnon, and then back to hotel. Only 20 euros. You want hot air balloon?
What?
Hot air balloon.
Hot air balloon. He doesn't like. He's afraid.
No, not me. I'm
Why?
scared. No.
It's very nice trip.
No.
No, he's afraid.
No.
Yeah.
I'm already scared from plane. Not balloon.
No balloon. You see? Mean hot air balloon.
Is that you?
Me.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Look.
How high?
Yes.
How high?
Yeah.
How much?
About 1,000 meters.
Yeah. It's 1 kilometer. Huh?
Yeah, 1 kilometer. Yeah. Look. very nice trip.
It's beautiful to look for me,
Yeah.
but not inside.
From just outside.
Yeah, outside, that's okay, but not inside.
Okay, okay. How many days in Luxor?
3, I think.
3 days is good time.
Well, 2.5. 2.5.
2.5.
Yeah.
You can make a fluke in the Nile River and go to sunset.
Yeah.
See sunset, the Nile River?
Oh, very beautiful, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, very beautiful.
Sunset is good for you.
Mhm.
But sunrise no good for you. Because sunrise was hot air balloon. Sunset was a fluke.
Oops.
Don't worry, don't worry. They're normal in Egypt. If you make a tour with hotel, you pay a lot of money. They give you best price, but up to you. First time I see Philippine people in tourist here.
Mhm.
Big difference. From
Yeah.
Cairo.
Yeah. Here's better.
This is Rizegi.
Oh yeah.
This is the door. See the door?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.